everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We did take a little fall break, but now we're back and ready to get started. And so, if you didn't catch our theme for this week, it was anything fall. And so I will have the next theme come across the screen, maybe right about here, so that you can get started for next week. We also enter our challenges into Saturday Morning Makes, or hashtag Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so this week I am using Honeybee Stamps, the autumn die here, along with Blessings there. From Darice, I am using this embossing folder here. I don't know what the name of it is, I guess Leaves. And I'm using this set that I had in my stash. And it's a nice little barrel and apple set there. And then this set, which is from My Creative Time, and I'm using the Stay Beautiful Stampin' Dies. I'm using this here. And here it is, this lovely little card that I created. I love it. The apples are gorgeous. I love how they turn out. I did follow a tutorial on how to color up apples on YouTube, so I was really happy about that. And I did ink up the barrel there. Love how that looked, and added the little apple flowers on there, along with the die set here. I did color up that background using some of the same colors that I put on the apples there. I used distressing colors, but I don't remember the colors that I used. Sorry about that. And then there goes that Blessings die there, or Stampin' Die. And I did finish off the inside of the card. I thought it was just so pretty and just spoke fall to me. So if you have the chance, make sure you join in on our collabs. Hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, and hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. All right, we're so happy to be back once again. Here goes the theme right about there. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.